Adjust the seat to the right position. Find the screw underneath the seat, on the right side. Fasten it. Take off this plastic trim. And pry this cover panel. Use a screwdriver pry this little plug out. And now we're able to take off the side panel. Find a plug under the panel. Unplug the bottom one. And plug it to one side of the harness. The other side plug to connect the car. Hide the plug under the panel. And put this black cable through the panel. We'll use it to connect the seat later. Take off the right side panel. Unplug the original electric seat button plug. Beware if there's 3 black plugs. Plug number 1 connect the original electric seat button plug. Plug number 2 connect the panel. Plug number 3 connect the wireless control module from the kit. Connect the original one to plug number 1. And plug number 2 connect to the panel. Plug number 3 connect the wireless control module from the kit. Then hide the module underneath the seat. Well organize the cable and hide it. Install the panel back. And now we can test the product function. Put the screw back and tighten it. Install all the panel and trim back to its place. The installation is complete.